Okay, we're doing a morning check. Make sure he's not pulling a Harold with the gold.
No Harold's today.
Pull your pants down. Nothing in your socks.
No. Harold check. Harold check. Hold on.
Well, I was getting worried for a minute. Mark just found this. We don't have our loops with us, so I went to the bank and tried to magnify it with my camera. It looks good, but then it don't. It's like too shiny underneath there, and it feels really rough, like it's plated. It does have some writing in there, but I can't make it out. I don't think it's the real deal. See that? Maybe you guys can see it before I can. I don't know what that says. It's like silvery on the inside. Yeah, I don't think that's the real deal. Hey Mark, you want good news or bad news? The good news is you got a ring. The bad news, it's not gold. I was worried there for a second. Oh man. Wah. But it's still a cool find anyway. It's over 100 years old. Alright, well I just got my first antique gold of the day. And man, this was just a crap signal. I almost gave up on it. I'm glad I didn't. And I don't know if I destroyed it or not. But yeah, I must have hit it right there. Damn. But yeah, it's a signet ring.
I told you, man, this was the spot right here.
Yeah, I hit it, dude.
I thought you might have. Dang.
Yeah, it sounded too good after everything cleared up. I told you, I'm like, man, this is going to be a ring right here. Awesome signet ring.
Yeah, but who moved you back over here?
Hey, it's going to be a long ride home for you. That monkey just landed on your back, didn't it?
No, it ain't.
Oh man, I gotta take a little break now, but man, yeah, I got it right there, but hey, it's still gold. Hopefully I can straighten that out. Awesome. Well, I guess the ride home ain't gonna be that long after all. He just said he's got one.
Do it on the light.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's got something on there.
Oh, cool, man. It's one of them Oriental style writing rings.
I could see the 10K from here.
Nice and
Yeah,
heavy.
Good job, man. Yeah, its band's busted too. That's probably why it sounded like crap.
That ride home was going to be bad.
Yes, it was. Yeah, it is one of the Oriental ones.
Nice. Add it to my collection. I told you, it's a good spot, man.
Yeah, I'm surprised we haven't been here.
This is a good spot.
It's just not a whole lot of time period. I mean, I dug that belt buckle a little bit.
I'm digging some time period stuff here.
Nice. Yeah, you were gonna. Alright. Well, I pulled the belt buckle out of here and I'm getting a low. It was kind of broken, but it's getting better every time I take a scoop out. I just dug a little over a foot down, so we'll see what it is. Hopefully it's the gold. Hopefully I can be 2 up on him. That monkey on your back was getting heavy for a little while, wasn't it?
That monkey was getting heavy.
Nice, man. You can't beat old gold, man.
She's broke, but I'll fix her. I'll fix her pretty.
Alright. What'd you get? A couple silver coins?
Yeah, I got one. I got a real nice Standing Liberty.
SLQ. Nice. Alright, let's get some more. Well, silver comes in low too.
It looks like there's brass coming through.
Yeah, Mark just found this pendant. A necklace might be not too far from it. Yeah, sometimes silver comes in low.
I don't know, it's probably plated, I guess, but...
Wow, that is nice.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
Yeah, this is definitely over 100 years old. Wow. I like that. I like that a lot.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
Man, this ended up being a good spot, man. I wish I would have came here last year.
Me too.
Wow.
It's not as good as our other spots, but
Yeah.
there's some stuff here.
Well, the other spots are all silted in now.
Well, and camped on.
Yeah. Alright. Alright. It's not a ring, it's nearing, but I think it's gold.
It definitely looks gold.
It's gotta be.
Yeah, it's gold. Yeah,
Wow.
that's gold.
Yep, look at that thing shine too.
I don't think that's old though.
No? Might be old, huh? It's a clip on.
Maybe.
You got your loop in the van or no?
No, I got it at home. Oh, why? We're gonna do a wrap up this time?
Well, yeah, because I got 2 gold and you got 1.
Can't count that.
Alright. What do you mean? It's gold.
It's tiny.
Alright. Hopefully this is the real deal. I think it is.
It is.
It's got to be old, dude. Why would it be out here if it wasn't?
People didn't wear earrings back then, not really.
I found, well, I don't know.
Okay, Andrew.
Well, I just dug this beautiful horse, Cracker Jack toy from the early 1900s. I'm really happy with this. This thing's perfect.
And I just took a belt plate at 2 feet.
Okay, we'll keep going. This place has some really good potential. Well, this had me going for a second. It's a shiny brass token that's been preserved in the sand. It says good for, I already looked at it before I turned the camera on. Good for 25 cents in trade. I thought this was going to be gold coin. Alright. Okay, this is a heartbreaker. It's an old ring, but it's brass. The letter H in it. Man, this thing sounded good too.
Are you still taking in the hard shit?
Yeah, I mean, well, it's like the first inch is loose, but then there's black sand under it. Like the first couple inches is loose. I mean, I dug an old fishing reel handle, and then this ring. All right, I'm gonna keep going. Oh, Mark just got another one. Oh yeah. Oh, it's got all kinds of, that's a class ring.
Yeah, looks like it. Holy cow, it's got some crud on it. Forest Park High School.
Forest Park.
No, Forest Park PS.
It's not looking too good on the side, is it?
No, it's
oh,
gold.
Yeah, it's gold, I can tell. Oh yeah, you can see it in there.
It's gold. It's just got a bunch of crusty crap on it. Can't get the year off. We should be able to see it here. See if you see it with the loop. It's got a bunch of crud on it. It looks higher carat.
Yeah, you can see the inside there. You can see the stamp.
Man, right now, all that garbage over there, man. The car ride's looking a lot better now.
Well, it's got initials on the inside.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Forest Park PS. That's what, grade school?
I think it says
Public school?
OR something, OMG or ORG. Yeah, they put their initials, man. Probably do a return.
Let's see what year it is. Can you see
It
what year?
says June. It says June in the middle. PS.
Can you see a year?
No. Yeah, there's initials on the inside though. They're stamped. I never. Oh, there's other initials in there too.
Really?
RL. It's carved RL. But yeah, without a year. But there's something that might be a maker's mark. You see RL. You can get a year, man. Look that up and do maybe return video.
Yeah, it's definitely PS.
It says June in the middle of it. Yeah, that thing, it's got some crust growing on it. But yeah, without a year, it's going to be kind of hard to return it because you don't have nothing to go off of.
Well, the year's going to be on the side here if we can get it clean.
Yeah.
It looks like, oh, dude, it looks like the guy's name's in there. Oh no, RL. You're right.
But there's a thing on the top. It's got some letters
That's
too.
the maker's mark.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, cool, man.
Nice.
2 rings.
Hey.
Well, I just got my second gold ring of the day. I know it's gold. It sounded really good. Looks like white gold. Let's see what this is. It looks really good. Oh, it looks like it's got a diamond in there. Looks like white gold or platinum, one of the two. I don't know if it's white gold or platinum.
Shit don't count when I ain't here.
Mark went to go get a fresh battery. Man, I don't want to leave this spot. Yeah, I can't tell. Sweet.
We had a lot of platinum back then. Oh, Chris. Oh shit, dude.
It's like a cam. It's
Oh,
got a diamond in
shit.
there. You see that diamond? Wait, close your eyes. I don't want to blind you.
Yeah, get on. It's definitely.
What's it saying there? I can't tell.
Oh man, that's a pretty ring, man.
Can you read it? It was a funky signal. It's like. Probably just because of the shape of it.
It's like 14K, but.
I mean, it came out shiny like that, so it's got to be higher grade.
Yeah, that's a beautiful ring, man.
I
Black
told
onyx.
you, it's all hard bottom right here.
Black onyx. You happy now? Jeez.
Yeah, I got 3, you got 2. The ride home's starting to be a little bit better now.
That drive home's looking a little better.
Yeah, I think it says 10 or 14 right there.
Yeah,
I can't tell.
white gold.
But nice little ice
That's
in
a
there.
beautiful ring, man. That's about as beautiful as they get right there.
Man, awesome. I knew we were going to get one more, man. I don't know, Mark wants to leave at 3.
2.
Well, Mark just got a gold pocket knife.
Oh my word.
Yep, that's 10K for, look at that, it's cleaning right up, dude.
Yeah, it's the iron is making it look all shitty.
Yep.
That's gold, bro.
Yeah, that's definitely not brass.
It's heavy. Feel how heavy it is.
Yeah, it might be something inscribed in there. Yeah, look at it, you can tell that's gold. The iron in there is leaching out and it just made like a crust over it.
That'll all come off.
Yeah, wow. Wow. Yeah, look at the clasp, dude. It's like clean as a whistle.
That's gotta be gold, man.
It is, man. It's a gold pocket watch or pocket knife. Nice.
That's gotta be gold.
It is.
It's just the iron leaching out.
Yeah, that's gold for her. Brass would be like an orangey-ish look. You can tell it'd be all pitty looking. That's not the brass, because I got a brass ring earlier.
Dude, feel how heavy it is.
Yeah, that's gold. You can tell by the little clamp. Wow.
It looks like there's a marking right there. That's a gold pocket knife.
Yep. Wow, dude.
Oh man. Dude, take your glove off. Feel how heavy this is.
Yeah, I can feel it when I hold it. 2 plates of gold, sandwiched with some iron. That's unreal. Never saw one.
Yeah, that's the first one I've ever seen. Yeah, see, that's gold.
Okay, we're checking out his pocket knife here. And he scratched this here, and it's not testing right, but the clip is. You know what? That clip is a different color than the...
Yeah, I'm gonna have to clean it.
Yeah, but still, you're able to scratch it off there. I mean, if it's dissolving, then...
Yeah, it's probably no good.
Well, we know this piece is gold, but the rest of it's not. Man, that's a shame.
This ring is marked solid gold. Solid gold.
The school ring, still didn't figure out a date on it yet. He's going to clean it up. But here's all my garbage. I dug a few belt plates, just bits and pieces. I was just digging all the low tones that I could. I did get a Mercury dime. I don't know what year it is. Probably from the 20s, because that's what the site dates to. I did get the token that I showed you guys. And that little gold earring here. And I don't believe this is time period. I believe this fell off of somebody kayaking. But we're going to... Dude, this is a clip-on. It's not a pierced one, so it could be time period.
No, that's a pierced earring. Yeah.
No, that's a clip-on.
No, it's not. 14 karat.
Is it?
Yeah.
It says it?
Yeah.
So, yeah, we don't even have to test that. But yeah, we believe this might have fell off somebody kayaking. But that's 14 karat gold. Then I got an old fishing reel, the handle to it, marble, some brass diaper pins, a couple Cracker Jack toys. This one I didn't film. Got the big rocking horse. And I dig some kind of suspender clip. Here's a junk ring. I did get a small brass ring. This one's brass. And here's Mark's finds. Mark pulled himself a bunch of swimming buckles. Here's his garbage. Oh, dude, you got the airplane.
Yeah, without the wings.
I never found that one.
Yeah. Like a hair clip. This is like a propeller off of something, man.
It's probably old fishing lure.
Yeah, probably. You're right, yeah.
A diaper pin. And this thing here, I like this piece. And then here's, he did get a standing liberty. Alright, so that wraps it up. It was a new spot I found last year. I went out there walking through it, but it seemed too mush to me, so I'd never even hunted it. Decided to go check it out because all the other places are pretty much hounded out, so I'm glad we did. We found some hard bottom, and this is what we show for it. So we'll definitely be going back, hitting more areas of it. Again, it's a swimming hole from the 1920s, from the pictures that I saw, so there's going to be more in there. I'm surprised we didn't find that many coins, but maybe some coin hunter went in there and was hunting all the coins out of it, but that's okay. We don't care about the coins, we care about the yellow. So, alright, until next time, see you guys later.